Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Wear gloves when handling hot peppers. Remove stems and seeds if you want milder heat, or keep seeds for extra spice. Measure 2 cups chopped hot peppers, 3 cloves garlic, 1/2 cup vinegar, 1/4 cup oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Spread peppers on a sheet and roast 5-7 minutes at 425 degrees F until skins char and soften. Roasting concentrates flavor and reduces raw sharpness. Let cool 5 minutes before transferring to the blender to avoid steam buildup and splatter. Transfer roasted peppers and garlic to a blender with 1/2 cup vinegar, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 1/4 cup oil. Blend until smooth on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Pour the puree into a saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer, stirring to prevent sticking. Simmer for 10 minutes to meld flavors and reduce raw acidity. Taste and balance. Add 1 tablespoon sugar for sweetness, 1 teaspoon salt for seasoning, or extra lime juice to brighten. Cook 2 more minutes after adjustments to integrate changes. When the sauce cools, transfer to a clean jar. This recipe yields about 2 cups of spicy sauce. Refrigerate for up to 2 weeks or freeze in 2 to 4 ounce portions for up to 6 months to preserve peak flavor. For shelf stability, process sealed jars in a hot water bath for 10 minutes following canning guidelines. Label with date. Use 2 tablespoons as a condiment on tacos, 1/2 cup as a marinade, or a teaspoon to spice soups, adjusting to taste and heat tolerance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.